talk about the most important math methods. If you look in the blue book, they will give you some strategies. If you pick up any book, if you go to Barnes & Noble's and you look, there's a section for SAT books. It's like this wide and this tall, and it includes books from 700 different companies. And every single one of them is going to have the same two main methods. Sometimes they call them different things, but we all have the same methods. And the reason we all have the same methods is because they work, because they're easy, because they are straightforward. They're basically your strategies for attacking multiple choice math. We call them PIN and TAC. PIN stands for plug-in numbers. TAC stands for try answer choices. Here's the general idea. If you don't have enough information to solve, make something up. See what happens. I have no idea what's going on here, but if x was 0, well then all this would cancel out and I would end up with, whatever, 7. That's a good way to do it. Because if x is allowed to be 0, you can plug in 0. And in the beginning, not on the real test, but in the beginning, for homework, for practice, I actually want you to, before you do anything, go through on a little treasure hunt of the section. Let's say there's 20 questions in the section. Go through, find all the ones where you can plug in numbers. Find all the numbers where you can try answer choices. So here's the deal for plug-in numbers. There are many different types of questions for which plug-in numbers is a completely valid and really helpful strategy. But there's one type that works 99% of the time. If you see this, what I'm about to write down, if you see it, 99% of the time, you can plug in numbers and you will get the right answer and it will be easier than doing the math. If you're looking for variables in the answers, but no equation or inequality symbols in the answers. So if in the answer choice you have things that look like 3x, 6x plus 2, 6x plus 7. If you have things like that, are there variables? Yes. Are there any of these symbols? No. Therefore, can you do plug-in numbers? Yes. Yes. Good. If you have 3x equals 3y plus 7, that has an equal sign in it, and you're not going to be able to do the method. That's your red flag for PIN. Let's do it for TAC. All you have to look for is the answers. And in the answers, there are just numbers. Nothing else. Nothing else. Just numbers. Here's the harder part, because you actually have to look at the question. But not the whole question, just the part right before the question mark. If the end of the question has exactly these words, what is the value of K? What is the value of A? They're just looking for one letter, and all the answers are just numbers. The easier the better on the numbers. Then you are good to go. That is a try answer choices question. Oh, here's a good point. On this test, how many points do you get if you get the easiest question? If you get question number 1 right, how many points do you get? 1. 1. Good. How long is it going to take you?
2 seconds.
A couple of seconds. Number 20. Hard. It's going to take you 4 minutes to do it. How many points do you get if you get it right? 1. Okay? So, the first thing that you're going to do, strategically, is you're going to make sure that you get all of the easy points. It's free money.